Welcome back to 𝙈𝙬𝙧𝙀. If you're new here, welcome. On this channel, I cover art such as drawing, painting, paint pouring, inexpensive crafts, and hoop dancing here and there. If you're interested in those types of things, hit the subscribe button so you won't miss any future fun. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming to see me today. I appreciate you so much. Let's get started. Hello everyone. Today I am excited to finally do this project. I have had it planned since October, and spring is my favorite season. I love the crisp air and watching everything come back to life after a long winter slumber. All of the new yellow-green buds on the trees and fresh grass and beautiful flowers in every color. I am using artificial flowers from the dollar store and some ribbon I already had for today's project. I found this awesome branch the same day I found the one for the broom project. It's hard to see the whole thing in the shot, but I will show you. So I'm going to measure out about 25 inches of each of these ribbons, and I'm going to do that times 2 if I have enough of each one. Once we get this all cut out, we're going to just randomly hot glue these onto our branch. Once we're all finished with that, we can start adding on our flowers. I'm just going to hot glue these on as well, and I just pulled them off and I left the internal peg piece inside so that the flower doesn't come apart, but I cut it off as flat as I could on the back so that it would stay well on the ribbon. Alright, I'm not going to let these leaves go to waste either, so I'm going to go ahead and use some of these Now the top needs some pretty color as well. Let's add some leafy green here too. Be sure not to bind up the ribbons when you wrap the wire around. I used the larger flowers at the bottom ends of the ribbon to weight them down. We're going to use some of these leaves at the top as well. Alright, now we just have to flip it over and add some hanging accessories. I'm going to hot glue these also.